If your AI side hustle plan is basically, I'll figure it out as I go, this video might save you weeks. A lot of people are entering this space the wrong way. They are not lazy. They are not dumb. They are just being sold the wrong idea. The internet tells beginners to make money with AI by selling prompts, starting faceless pages overnight, or stacking 10 tools together and hoping money appears. And for most people, that turns into confusion, not income. So in this video, I want to give you a better starting point. Not the flashiest starting point, the clearest one. Here is the big idea. Do not sell AI, sell a finished result. That one sentence eliminates a lot of beginner mistakes. Because businesses usually do not care what tool you used. They care whether the work gets done. They want content. They want copy. They want ideas turned into something usable. They want consistency. So instead of asking, how can I make money with AI? Ask this, what simple result can I produce faster with AI? For beginners, one of the strongest answers is this. Offer a social media content pack for local businesses. Now let me explain why I like this. First, it is easy to understand. If you tell someone, I create 1 week or 2 weeks of ready-to-post content for small businesses, that makes sense instantly. Second, it is easy to show. You can mock up samples fast. Third, it is easy to improve over time. You do not need to master some giant automation stack on day one. You just need a repeatable workflow. Here is what the beginner version of this offer can look like. Package name, Starter Content Pack. What is included? 12 post ideas, 12 caption drafts, 12 simple matching designs, optional posting schedule or content calendar. That is the core. Now let's talk about the workflow. Step 1. Pick a business type. Do not target everyone. Choose one lane. You could choose realtors, restaurants, dentists, gyms, churches, local med spas, roofers, insurance agents. Why narrow down? Because your content gets better faster when you know the audience. Step 2. Gather basic brand information. What does the business do? Who do they serve? What tone do they use? What colors or brand style do they like? What offers or services matter most? Step 3. Use AI to generate idea drafts. You are not blindly copying whatever it spits out. You are using it to create a fast starting point. Ask for post ideas in categories like educational, promotional, trust building, FAQ, myth busting, behind the scenes, seasonal or local relevance. Then take the best ones and refine them. Step 4. Draft captions. Keep them short, clear, and audience specific. Make sure they sound like a real business, not generic internet fluff. Step 5. Turn those into simple designs. Nothing fancy. Do not overcomplicate it. Use clean templates, consistent fonts, and readable layouts. Step 6. Package it professionally. This matters more than people realize. Do not send a messy folder with random files. Send a clean set of deliverables. Name everything properly. Make it easy for the client to review and use. Now let's talk pricing. A lot of beginners price too low because they think, AI helped me, so maybe this is not valuable. That is the wrong mindset. A calculator helps an accountant. A camera helps a photographer. A power drill helps a contractor. The client still pays for the result. Your job is not to hide the fact that you use modern tools. Your job is to turn those tools into speed, consistency, and usable output. Now, I am not telling you to go promise huge income numbers overnight. What I am saying is that a simple offer like this is far more realistic than spending weeks chasing random AI hacks. If you wanted to start simple, you could begin with one niche, one offer, and a few sample posts. Then reach out to local businesses and say something like, hey, I put together a sample content concept for businesses like yours. I help create ready-to-post content packs so you can stay consistent online without doing everything yourself. That is far more concrete than saying, I do AI. Let me give you the biggest beginner mistake in one line. People try to monetize the tool instead of monetizing the problem they can solve with the tool. That is why so many AI side hustle attempts die early. So here is the replacement strategy. Pick one customer. Pick one deliverable. Use AI to speed up the workflow. Sell the finished package. Repeat until you get good. That is the beginner move I would choose right now. And if you want, I can build the next video around the exact version of this that targets a realistic $50 per day path, using a simple offer stack and outreach plan. If you want the practical version, watch the next video, because I'll show the exact simple setup I'd use to aim for that first $50 a day target with AI.